Namaste beloved friends, welcome back to Beyond Traveling. This is the ninth technique from the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra, and this is the second part of this technique. So according to this technique, stare and without blink your eyes. Very simple technique, but if you experiment on this technique, if you really practice this technique, it will bring you to the state of Bhairava, the super conscious state. What is this technique saying? Stare at something but don't blink your eyes. So how to practice this technique? You can choose anything. You can choose a sky, blue sky or dark sky. You can choose a river. You can choose a mountain, or you can just choose a wall, or you can choose a ceiling, whatever you want to choose, but the object should not changing too much. So some people will say, I am choosing my mobile, I am just looking after my mobile, I can't stare, I am checking the reels, I am checking the Instagram, I am checking the YouTube video, I am not staring at all. So is this technique work? No, it will not work, because the object which you are choosing, it's not changing at all, it's constant. So you can use the wall, just white wall, you just staring at the wall, or you can choose the ceiling, just looking at the ceiling, lie down and look at the ceiling, or just choose any mountain or a sky. So these are the object you can choose. This technique used by the great enlightened master Meher Baba. So he 3-4 years he was just staring at his ceiling. He was lying down completely dead and he was looking at the ceiling 3-4 hours, 5 hours every day. He was just looking at the ceiling, and by and by his thoughts getting vanish. All the activity of the thoughts ceases away, and he become the state of no mind. And after that experience, he was continuous in the no mind state, and he stopped talking. He was in the state of silence almost his whole life. And one incident in his life, one of the great teacher in America. So this teacher, he can read the mind of anyone. So this man, he come to the Meher Baba and he sit in front of the Meher Baba, and he start trying to see the thoughts of Meher Baba, but he get amazed, he get surprised, and he thought like, what is happening to me? I can't read the thoughts of this man. Then he said that this Meher Baba have no thoughts, he is completely no mind state. There was not a single thought in his mind, and he was complete in a state of pure conscious state, just by using this technique. Or maybe in the past life he used this technique, so he got the glimpse of this technique and this happened to him. But you can use this technique. You can use 3-4 minutes, you just lying down, you can use the ceiling, or you can just looking at the wall, but don't blink your eyes. What happens when you blink your eyes? The mind start working. So when you fix your gaze, you are not you are not hardening your muscles also, you are not straining anything, you are not making the stress, you are just looking, just watching the wall, watching the sky, watching the river without stress. So just remember, don't make any stress, just looking, just simple watching things, and by your thoughts will start reducing, and you will come to the state of no mind. So this is very simple technique in the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra. You can use this technique 3-4 minutes, you can use every day, and by you will start noticing the changes in your mind. So don't just listen these techniques, try to experiment on these techniques and try to practice this, because without practice you will not get the feelings of this technique, and you will not get what is the behind of these techniques. So try to experiment on this technique. It don't take much time, it don't take 1 hour of practice. You just need 2-3-5 minutes of practice, and by you can see the difference in yourself. So practice and let me know how is this technique work for you. So take care.